guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle. Today we are going to talk potty talk, but not the cursing or swear words or anything like that. Today I'm going to show you all of the different hacks that I use to clean my bathroom or for general maintenance, as well as give you some recipes for cleaning supplies. So grab your cup of, well, you probably don't want to grab your cup of coffee if we're going to the bathroom, but join me anyway. To start, we're going to warm up our drain. If you live in an area where it does not get very cold, you don't really need to do this. But what we're going to need now is half a cup of baking soda, followed by half a cup of vinegar. Doesn't matter what kind, though I wouldn't spend too much money on it. I want to give a quick shout out and warm hug and hello to my subscribers and a warm welcome to my newbies. If you are new to the channel, please comment below and say hi and let us know. If you have a sink where the drain plug is able to be pulled out, it makes this part a little easier. If not, just get as much as you can down in the drain. Science. We're going to let the vinegar and the baking soda do its thing. It usually takes about maybe 5 minutes. This is 1 cup of near boiling water. And now you can see how fast the sink drains. For this DIY, you will need hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol, rinse agent, dish soap, and measuring implements. I like to reuse old peroxide bottles that are at least 32 ounces. The reason I do this is because if there's going to be peroxide in the mix, which in this case there will be, you need a dark bottle to keep the peroxide from degrading. Most spray nozzles will also fit onto peroxide bottles. We're going to start with half a cup of peroxide and half a cup of rubbing alcohol. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. One tablespoon of rinse aid. Followed by 3 cups of water. If it starts to bubble up, just take it slow and come back to it to continue refilling it. Shake it before you spray, and then you're good to go. For this DIY, you will need aloe vera gel, glycerine, essential oil of your choice. I am using lavender, alcohol-free witch hazel, measuring implements, and a spray bottle. We're going to start with 3 ounces of witch hazel. Next is 1 tablespoon of aloe. One tablespoon of glycerin, and lastly 5 drops of lavender. Shake before use and apply about 2 squirts to your toilet tissue, and you are on your way to a clean bum. For this DIY, you will need baking soda, Epsom salt, dish soap, and measuring implements, including a silicone mold. I found mine at Amazon. We will start with a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt. Followed by 2 cups of baking soda. The final ingredient is 1/2 cup of dish soap. We're going to combine the baking soda and Epsom salt, then adding the dish soap a little bit at a time until the mixture resembles wet sand. If you would like to connect with me through other social media, I will have those links in my About tab on my channel. You can also search for me by looking for Moxie DIY Java. We're going to pack these molds tightly and then let them dry overnight. These bombs are no joke. We had a clog, I'm not going to go into detail, that was really bad in one of our toilets, and we used one of these bombs with about 1 cup of vinegar and hot water and plunged it like usual, and it worked perfectly. For this DIY, you will need vinegar, dish soap, a spray bottle, or a scrub brush. I feel like this really should not be called a DIY, but more of a hack. really all you're going to be doing is putting equal parts vinegar and dish soap in either a scrub brush or in your spray bottle, and that's it. I just shake it before I use it in my sink or on my tub, and it works fantastic. I hope you have enjoyed spending this time with me as much as I have enjoyed spending it with you, and until I see you in the next video, take care.